Hello my unique queens, Quiana Unique here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to turn these plain Jane pumps into something super sparkly and shiny, which is my favorite thing. If you guys would like to know how I do it, then just keep on watching. Some of the supplies you're going to need is glitter. Of course, I purchased two different kind of glitter from two different stores. The pink one is from Hobby Lobby. The gold one is from Walmart. It does not matter where you get them from, long as you get the kind that says extra fine. You should be alright with that. And of course, choose any color you would like. Don't just use the colors that I use. You're also going to need some E6000 glue. This is a very strong glue, and we're going to use that for our base. You're also going to need some Mod Podge. I got the sparkling shimmery one for obvious reasons. And you're going to need some painter's tape. I didn't find any painter's tape, so I have some duct tape. And you're going to need paint brushes. I only show one here, but you need at least two. And a mask to protect yourself. Now what you're going to do is cover the sole and the heel of your shoe with the painter's tape, and then you're going to take the E6000 and squeeze it out over your shoe and brush it on. My E6000 was almost empty, so I was struggling a little bit, but if you have a brand new tube of E6000, it comes out very smoothly and it's easy to paint right on. One thing about E6000, if you squeeze it a little bit, it's going to start oozing out everywhere. So make sure that you don't squeeze hard and that you're ready to apply it when it comes out. Once you've had enough, definitely put the top back on, and now we're going to add the glitter. As you can see, I'm working section by section so my glue does not dry on me before I get a chance to put the glitter on. And I'm lightly sprinkling it over the shoe to coat the whole area where I put the glue. And then I'm just going to tap the excess glitter off. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to let you guys keep watching me go back and forth between glue and glitter, glue and glitter. Now when you're transitioning between the two colors, you are going to continue to do the same thing. There's not anything that's going to change. You're going to apply the glue and just switch colors with the glitter. Make sure not to mix your containers up so that way you won't have blended colors, because you're going to need to repeat this on your other shoe. This is what one shoe looks like, completely glittered. Now I'm going to let this dry for 24 hours to make sure that my glue sets well. Now after 24 hours, I am now going to use my Mod Podge, and this is a brand new brush. I dipped it in water, and then I'm just applying my Mod Podge right over. I did not shake off any excess glitter. I'm just going to go right over it. As you're doing this, your brush is going to pick up a little bit of glitter that did not get stuck with the glue. That is quite alright, because I feel like once we get down to the gold, it's okay for that pink to kind of merge into the gold, so that way it's not like this straight line there. There's a little bit of the continuation in color merging in with the other. Once you've applied the Mod Podge, we'll then let it set to dry. I put mine in the sun to dry faster because I did need to do a second coat. You don't have to do a second coat, but if you see some spots on your shoes where there's some glitter missing, then you can use the Mod Podge to attach some more of the glitter. And that's it, you guys. I really love these pair of shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, you guys, be unique. See you next week.